If you have ever wanted to walk through Pune before you even land, this is for you. Those guides only give you opening hours and a pin on a map. They never show you how a place actually feels. Explore Pune lets you walk each landmark as if you were already there. Turn it in your hands, lean in, and stand at the Gali Darwaza of Vanivarthada. There are 15 of them waiting for you. Courts on the ridge, caves under the city, gardens, a war memorial, a dam at dusk. Natch one is drawn live in your browser. Nothing to download. Nothing that looks like a toy. Walk the walls of Vainhagad. But step into Pataleshwar, right under the street. Then stand by the tall column at the war memorial in Horpadi. And then the one-day plan. How to get there. Hat to wear. These small questions people actually ask before they go. If you went, leave a review. If we missed a place you love, tell us. Then person built this and a small lobby keeps it online. This is Explore Pune. Mom discover the soul of Pune. Joe will find us at explorepune.versal.app.